Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys this awesome cool app that allows you to pretty much deep fake your face onto somebody else's face. So first off, what is deep fake? So deep fake, of course, is pretty much where you take a selfie of your portrait or somebody else and you put your face onto somebody else's face in a photo. And so how it works is pretty much the computer, of course, does some cool algorithm work and will magically put your face onto it, and you're on somebody else's face. And so this app here that I've been playing around with now the past few days is called Duplicate. So Duplicate is a free app. You can go download it in the App Store, and it allows you, like I said, to pretty much deepfake yourself onto somebody else's picture. And so how it works, pretty simple. So when you open the app, of course, you take a selfie, and then after that, when you take the selfie, you could open the app, and then you could choose any meme you want from the application. So depending on whatever a meme you like there, you could choose one, and you could pretty much just render yourself onto that meme, your face onto that meme. So yeah, it's a very cool, interesting app that I've been playing around with. Like I said, for the past few days, I've been addicted to this. It's just really fun, and it's easy to use. So if you want to if you want to deep fake yourself onto onto a meme, you can with this app now. So I've been deep faking my face onto a lot of memes here, from The Godfather to the Joker, onto Leonardo DiCaprio's body as well. So yeah, it's just really fun, interesting. That I've been. It's just really fun to be using this app. Of course, I've been sharing a lot of it online as well, and also I look pretty ugly when my face goes onto somebody else's body. It's not perfect, of course, but it works, and it's just a fun way. It's just a fun time to pass if you're bored or something, or you just want to make yourself a meme and share it online. Of course, you can now with this app. So yeah, like I said, I've been deep faking myself onto a lot of memes. So like also Justin Trudeau, Post Malone, BTS, of course Tony Stark, Han Solo. So yeah, it's just a fun way just to pass the time, and yeah, just to play around with a cool app that allows you to do something fun and interesting. So that's it for now, guys. I will be posting the link to the app in the description below, so you guys go check out the app if you guys want. The app is free to download. There is ads, of course, so maybe hopefully in the future the developer maybe might do like an in-app purchase where you pay like, I don't know, $2, and you won't gonna have to see ads no more. But yeah, it's just a fun way to pass the time, and yeah. So that's it for now, guys, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.